For the past several semesters, Wi-Fi connectivity has been a challenge for some users on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. However, recent improvements have been put in place, and Wi-Fi users should start to see improvements. Andrew Martin is the Director of Information Technology Services here at SUNY Cobleskill. He believes that there are many benefits associated with the newest campus Wi-Fi network, Coby.
So the benefits to having the new Wi-Fi system in place is that, one, we're seeing increased bandwidth inside of campus. So with the newer technologies, we're seeing increased speeds. Secondarily, the benefits are the security features.
First-year student Sheldon Clerk studying animal science BS believes that there are needed improvements for the Coby Wi-Fi network and details the improvements she hopes to see throughout the semester.
In Wheeler Hall and Bach Theater, it's really hard for students to do work in those buildings because the Wi-Fi connection is not really strong. And some places the Wi-Fi is not that consistent. Sometimes you lose connections or it's just hard to connect in general.
Martin prompts us to know that users should give Coby a chance to reach its full potential since it's still new to the campus and work to better the campus Wi-Fi network is constantly being done to help Coby reach its peak, suggesting that there are improvements that users should expect to see this semester.
So the two biggest improvements that we're going to see is the bandwidth inside the campus network. So being able to get data to and from within the campus is going to increase over those Wi-Fi networks.
For more information about the newly introduced Wi-Fi network Coby, or if you're still experiencing connectivity issues connecting to Coby, come on down to Warner 023 or visit cobleskill.edu/information technology services. I'm Kavon Barrett with SUNY Coby News. Back to you in the studio.